Here all you have to know about Google Ads. Google Ads. Google Ads is a Google-developed online advertising network in which advertisers bid to display brief commercials, service offerings, product listings, or videos to web visitors. It can insert adverts in search engine results, such as Google Search, as well as non-search websites, mobile apps, and videos. Google Ads Campaign. Your ad could display on Google right when someone is browsing for similar products or services like yours. A well-timed ad, whether on desktop or mobile, can convert individuals into valuable clients. Google Ads can be used with nearly any advertising budget. Set a monthly spending cap and never go over it. You can also suspend or change your spending at any moment. What makes a great Google Ads campaign? Every ad campaign consists of two distinct phases, the pre-click phase and the post-click phase. The pre-click phase, everything your audience sees before clicking on an ad. The post-click phase, the landing page experience users see after clicking on your ad. Google Ads Tips. Google wants to help your business grow. The insights and ideas contained in guides lay the groundwork for effective Google Ads campaigns. Here are a few tips for creating effective Google Ads with a limited budget. 1. Set a clear objective. 2. Build a great structure. 3. Make your landing page relevant. 4. Apply all SEO rules. 5. Use the right keyword match types. 6. Fill out all available ad content. Existing users of Google Ads. Amazon.com is the largest frequent user of Google Ads. Aside from that, Info.com, eBay.com, Progressive.com, ConsumersAdvocate.org, and others are heavy users of Google Ads, which practically everyone sees. What's for newcomer to Google Ads? AdCreative.ai users get $500 free and also up to 14-time conversion rate for Google Ad credits. Get the most of your marketing budget with automated solutions from Google Ads. To help you get started with Google Ads, Google Ads Campaign give you $500 in free ad credit when you spend $500, and it is real. You can grow your business as well as earn from Google Ads. Google Ads using creative ads with artificial intelligence. Ads that automatically adjust to better match users' searches. Google introduced responsive search ads, which test different versions of a brand's ad and automatically identify the best performing ad creative for certain search queries using creative ads with artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence under the hood, the pace and performance of today's advertising are significantly superior than that of several decades ago. Google's new ad offerings highlight how marketers are increasingly seeking to use artificial intelligence, AI, to automate tasks and improve their workflows. Then what are you waiting for? Create your account. Set a budget. Write an ad and decide where you would like it to appear. Show ads to more customers on Google when they search for your products or services. Promote your website or any business and enjoy $500 Google Ads credits and also up to 14-time conversion rate for AdCreative.